Hello and good day. And so this is my review on this Chefman electric kettle. So the reason I wanted this was because I wanted hot water quick and fast, especially in the morning when I'm making coffees and such. So with this in particular, you can kind of see what it looks like here. Now how it works is that you simply just have the cord here. And once you plug it in, it simply just heats up with the kettle. So with this in particular, I think it looks absolutely phenomenal. It heats up very, very quickly. You can kind of see the different modes here as far as the temperature setting goes and whether to start it or stop it goes as well. And then to pop it open, you simply just click this button open. Okay. Now, one thing I do like about this is that it is wireless when it comes to once your kettle is actually done heating, you can actually just lift this up and pour it out. It doesn't need to stay connected to the wire, unlike other kettles which I've used. So overall, very pleased with it. I've had no problems whatsoever. I have the stainless steel version that you see over here. But again, very pleased with it. So if you're looking for hot water, this is a great option.